we have a very historic relationship for many years with Russia, but that is getting further strengthened, and a lot of agreements have actually, in many areas, have been reached in the formal talks, which includes civil military cooperation, civil energy cooperation. In fact, Russia has been helping in India for energy security, for clean energy, and that has been further strengthened in this visit. I think exchange of technology towards this objective will be achieved. Alongside, shipbuilding technology will be shared with India, and that will promote employment, promote cooperation between the two nations, particularly the Indian Navy and the Russian Navy, shipbuilding their industry. Also, deep sea polar shipping will be a new thing for a country like India, and in that Russia will assist India and transfer the technology. In addition, agreements have been reached for a more connectivity between the two nations, people-to-people contact. I think India has offered to open 2 more consulates in Russia, in which the offer has been made that any Russian citizen planning to visit, he will have 30 days free visa from India. So apart from this, the air defense system, S-400, the agreement has been reached. I think the defense industry will have a better transfer of technology and cooperation with Russia in respect to S-400, S-500,